Hello everyone, welcome to Glowing Star Bharat. Dear student, I am present once again with a new video. As I know nowadays your school is closed due to lockdown. Dear student, so stay home, stay safe. Today we are going to talk about second chapter of class 10, acids, bases and salts. Dear student, this chapter is very easy. So let's begin the chapter. First question is, what is acid? So dear students, acids are substances that form hydrogen ion, means H plus aqueous ion, when dissolved in water. Dear student, physical properties of acids are acids taste sour. Example, vinegar, lemon juice. Acids are harmful to living cells. Aqueous solution of all acids contain hydrogen ions. Acid turns blue litmus red. Strong acid are corrosive. Dear student, these are the examples of acids. Example, nitric acid, ammonium chlorate, sulfuric acids. Dear student, next is strong acid and weak acids. So strong acids are H2SO4, HNO3, HCl means hydrochloric acid, hydriodic acid, ionic acid, perchloric acids these are strong acids. H2CO3 carbonic acid, ACH3COOH acetic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, oxalic acid, formic acid, boric acids are weak acid. Dear student, next question is, what is base? Dear students, bases are substances that form hydroxide OH ions where dissolved in water. Physical properties of bases are taste in bitter. Strong bases are corrosive. Aqueous solution of all bases contain hydroxide ion. Turns red litmus to blue. These are examples of bases, bleach, etc. The student, bases are classified into two categories. First, strong base, weak base. Strong base example NaOH, sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide, CaOH2, calcium hydroxide, BaOH2, barium hydroxide. These all are a strong base. Weak bases are NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, MgOH का हॉल 2, magnesium hydroxide, LOH3 का हॉल 2, aluminum hydroxide, copper hydroxide, ferric hydroxide. These all are weak bases. Dear student, we also know that soluble bases are called alkalis. Soluble bases are called alkalis. Dear student, second most important topic is indicator. Indicator means indicate solid or indicate acids or base. Different types of indicators like litmus paper, turmeric, red cabbage and colored petals. Some flowers like petunia, hydrangea and geranium are natural indicator. Methyl orange, phenolphthalein are synthetic indicator. Next is olfactory indicator, means substances whose odor changes in acidic or basic media. Such indicators are called olfactory indicators. Example, vanilla, onions and clove. Next important is chemical properties of acid and bases. The dear student, reaction of acid with metal. Acid react with metal to give salt and hydrogen gas. Example, HCl, hydrochloric acids react with zinc metal to give ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. Reaction of base with metals. NaOH, sodium hydroxide react with zinc, give Na2 ZnO2 plus H2, sodium zincate. Next, how do metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acids? So dear student, sodium carbonate react with HCl to give NaCl H2O plus CO3. NaH CO3 plus HCl, sodium hydrogen carbonate react with HCl to give NaCl, H2O, CO3. In the above reaction, acid reacts with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates to give salt, carbon dioxide and water. Limestone, chalk and marble are different form of calcium carbonate. The student, reaction between acid and bases. NaOH plus HCl to give NaCl plus H2O. The reaction between acid and base to give a salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. Reaction with metallic oxide. In this reaction, metallic oxide react with acid to give salt and water. Metallic oxide are said to be basic oxide. Reaction of non-metallic oxide with base. In this reaction, non-metallic oxide react with a base to give salt and water. Non-metallic oxide are said to be acidic oxide. Next, what happens to an acids or base in a water solution? Dear student, acids reacts with water to give hydronium ion H2O, H3O plus or H plus ion in water. Bases react water to give hydroxide OH minus ions. Bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. The reaction with acid or base with water is a highly exothermic. Heat generated may cause the mixture to splash out of the cause burns. The glass container may also break due to excessive heat. pH scale. It is a very important. pH scale is a scale used to measure hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. The P in pH stands for potenge in Germanium, meaning power. Higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. 0 to 6 is acidic, 7 is natural, 8 to 40 is alkaline or basic. pH paper changes color to indicate a specific pH value. These are the some example of pH, means lemon juice pH is 2.0, wine 4.0, ran pH is 5.5, human blood pH is 7.5, baking soda pH 8.5, detergent pH is 10.0, bleach pH is 12.5. Means 0 to 6 is acidic, 7 is neutral, 8 to 14 in alkaline or basic. Next is the strength of acid and bases. The student, acids that gives rise to more hydronium ion or hydrogen ion are said to a strong acid. We discussed in previous topic, acids that give rise to less hydronium ion or hydrogen ions are said to be weak acid. Bases that gives rise to more hydroxide ions are said to be strong base. Bases that gives rise to less hydroxide ions are said to be weak base. Means example weak base are NH4OH, means ammonium hydroxide, MgOH2, magnesium hydroxide. These are the example of weak base. Just important of pH in everyday life. Our body works with the pH of 7 to 7.8. When pH of RAN is less than 5.6, it is called acid RAN. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid which helps in digestion without harming our stomach. In case of indigestion, our stomach produces more acid and this causes pain and irritation. To get rid of this, we use bases called antacids. These antacids neutralize the excess acid. Magnesium hydroxide, means milk of magnesia, is a mild base. Tooth decay starts when the mouth pH is lower than 5.5. Tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate, which is the hardest substance in our body. Next, besetting lips, acids which causes pain and irritation. Using a mild base like baking soda of the area gives relief. Staining hair of nettle lips injection, methanoid acid causing burning pain. Acidic acid substance vinegar, citric acid lemons or orange. Tartaric acid substance like turmeric or grapes. Ascorbic acid means vitamin C, all citrus fruit. Lactic acid substance milk, yogurt. Malic acid apples or pears, and formic acid ant stings. Next topic is What are salt? So dear student, a salt is an ionic compound that forms from a positive ion from base and negative ion from an acid. This, for examples, HCl plus NaOH react with H2O and gives NaCl. Next, how are salt formed? So dear students, salt formed from strong acid plus strong base are equal to natural with pH of 7. A strong acid plus weak base is equal to are acidic with pH value less than 7. Strong base plus weak acid gives are basic with pH value more than 7. The combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution is called sodium chloride. Large crystals are often brownish due to impurities. This is called rock salt. Next important is sodium hydroxide. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. This process is called chlor-alkali process because of the product formed chlor from chlorine and alkali from sodium hydroxide. Examples: NaCl plus H2O gives NaOH plus Cl3 plus H3. Chlorine gas is given out to anode and hydrogen gas and sodium hydroxide is formed at cathode. Next is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder formed by the action of chlorine gas and dry slag lime CaOH3. Bleaching powder is represented as CaOCl2. Usage of bleaching powder for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industries, for bleaching wood pulp in paper factories, for bleaching washed clothes in laundry, an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries, for disinfecting drinking water to make it germs free. Next, baking soda. Baking soda, it is produced using sodium chloride. The chemical name of the compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. Usage, it is used in soda acid fire or extinguishers. It also an ingredient in antacids and also used for making baking powder. How to prepare a baking powder? A mixture of baking soda along with a mild edible acid such as tartaric acid. When baking powder is heated or mixed with water, carbon dioxide is produced, which cause bread or cake to rise, making them soft and spongy. Example: NaHCO3 plus H plus to give CO2 plus H2O plus sodium salt of acid. Next is washing soda. Also, all are know that what washing soda. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 into 10H2O. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. It is a basic salt. Usage of washing soda used in glass, soap and paper industries. Used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. Used as cleaning agent for domestic purpose. Washing soda used for removing permanent hardness of water. These students are the crystals of salty dry copper sulfate crystals. When heated lose water and turn from blue to white. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in 1 mole, 1 formula unit of a salt. Chemical formula of hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4 into 5H2O. Gypsum chemical formula is CaSO4 into 2H2O. Next and last topic is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris, on heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecules and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate CaSO4 into half H2O. This is called plaster of Paris. On mixing again with water, it changes to gypsum. Usage of plaster of Paris are for making toys, materials for decoration, for making surface smooth, and doctors use for supporting fractured bones in the right position. So dear students, I hope that you have understand today's lesson with easy. We have tried to explain the whole lesson to you a short time. The student, if you like this video, Please share and subscribe my channel.